What is it? Came up.
Papa.
Eh? Who is chasing you?
Which? Dikeh.
What is it? What happened?
Pops, God and I went to see the same man last night. This morning, the man gave us 40,000 naira. On our way back, I asked her to give me my own share. She gave me 10,000 naira. 10,000, Pops.
Hold on, just relax. Whose contact was it? Kerenwolo?
Papa is my contact.
You demanding 20,000 is outrageous. I think 15,000 naira would have been more appropriate.
Pops.
Without the contact, there will be no money. What is Pops there?
You are right, Papa.
So, gold.
Papa.
You have to bring out my own 10%. Then you keep your 20. Let her keep her 10. That settles the case. Let her keep her 10,000 naira.
Papa.
Mercy, what is it?
Papa, I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you concerning what has been happening in this house ever since Mama died.
For your information, I don't have any time for your useless conversation.
But Papa.
Mercy, don't make me do something you will regret. Why are you always my problem in this house? Don't you look at your sisters and see how they behave?
Papa, for the word of God says, what shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and loses his soul?
Now get out of my face with that your word of God. I said get out of my face!
Papa, don't say this.
Look at that. What do you know about God? Every day this girl is preaching verses from the Bible to me, as if she's the one that wrote the Bible. You need to look at your sisters and understand life. Every day you're here making life miserable for me. Eh? Useless girl. So, Holy Naija. Just trying to spoil this my wonderful mood. Eh?
So much.
I miss you too, son. Oh, you're welcome. Look at you. Look at you. Come. You're sweating so much. What's that?
Get my stuff. Okay?
Yes, let's go.
Oh, I miss you so much, you know.
Let's go, you're welcome. Yeah.
How's the comedy doing?
Good.
I'm so happy I'm back. And I can't wait to take over that comedy.
I like the way you said it. It would be a wrong idea for you to run the company, but you must first of all fulfill your father's wish.
Which is?
Marriage before CEO.
Really?
Yes.
But Mom, I'm too young for that.
Says who? Even a 15-year-old boy runs the family.
How is that possible? What happens to school?
As if it doesn't happen where you're coming from. Just think about what I just said. Hello? Yes.
Mercy, thank God you're back. Because we're going now, please take care of the house. Please, lock up the doors. Make sure no one enters to take our things. My sisters, Don't you think it's high time you people stop this prostitution of a thing? And allow Christ to enter your life? Please. Sister Bryson, thank you for your advice. Go. Let's go. But sister... Sister... Okay. Eh? Take care of yourself, eh?
Check out my girls, looking hot and spicy. Woo!
Evening, Pop.
Tell me, where is it happening tonight?
I'm going to a house. Daddy, I'm going to the village guest house.
Listen, it doesn't matter where you go. The most important thing is make sure you collect your money. Because
it's all about the money.
It is all about the Benjamin. Let me hear you say it.
It's all about the Benjamin.
Girls, be safe while I go in. I hope there's something to eat.
Yes, Daddy.
Beautiful.
Bed rice.
Take care of yourself.
All right, good night.
See you in the morning.
Good night.
Make sure you come back with goodies.
Sure.
Hey, they go hear them. Don't be my fault now. That means you make a born beautiful girls. Take them the hustle. What are you doing at home? Eh? When your sisters have gone out to hustle? Why are you so lazy?
Papa, I am not lazy. I just got back from fetching water.
Not that kind of lazy, you dumb head. I mean, why are you lazy in making money? Eh? Use your head, use your brain.
Papa, the opportunity to make money has not come yet. When it comes, I will show you my real power.
The opportunity comes knocking every day at your door, but you tend to neglect it. Your sisters that are smart and intelligent, they are out there making use of the opportunity, changing their lives. You're here every day, just Virgin Maria, that's what you want to be.
Papa, if prostitution is the only opportunity you are talking about, then count me out of it, because I will never be part of it. I reject it in Jesus' name.
No problem. No problem, Virgin Mary.
Papa, I went to the kitchen to dish out food to eat, but the door was locked.
So?
Did you lock it?
Yes.
Okay, Papa, let me have the keys. I'm very hungry.
Really? You're hungry?
Yes, Papa.
Who prepared the food you want to eat?
Cindy and Gold, my sisters.
Ah, your sisters. Your sisters indeed. Did you ask them how they got the money to fix that food you're about to eat?
Papa.
Don't you papa me. Didn't you say you don't want to be part of whatever they are doing? Now you want to partake in the proceed of what they are doing. It's not going to happen.
Papa, I'm very hungry. I want to eat, Papa. I'm very hungry.
Virgin Mary or Mercy or whatever they call you. There's no food for a lazy man in this house. Onyelua Orie. Eh? Onyelua Lola Choloma.
Papa, what you're doing is not good, oh. Papa, what you're doing is not good. It's not fair. It's not good.
Get man.
Have a good day.
What's your name?
My name is Ife. Bogano Vessel. And I be there, Madam people there ever since how many years now?
Yes.
Ah, Ogasa, you fresh. So I like you.
Thank you.
Ogasa, you come so much the wish of going. You go produce a matter they were for the company, not they for myself.
When I come back, just open the gate.
Oh, I'll open at 20 times.
Hello, Angel. How are you? Where are you? I would like you to come around. Ah yes, my son came back yesterday. Okay, see you soon. Bye.
Popsy, Pops.
Hey, go.
Yes, Popsy.
Asamu Papiya.
Popsy, good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
Fine.
You are enjoying it.
What else can I do when I have someone like that? I know everything is rosy.
Everything stew.
Look at me.
Popsy.
Do the next program. You know what's up. Hey. Hey, mama. Hey! Keep making your father proud. Go in there, freshen up, come out and chill.
Popsy, Popsy.
Go, okay. Hey, mama. Mwapelape. Akwa mwa. Mwa asaro. Ndimbu na enye nwa nsogbu. Wanke gbasam. Na ebube ego.
Gold.
Yes, what's it?
My sister, is this how we're going to continue sleeping with men just because of past greediness?
Do we have any other means of getting money?
Yes, of course. Finding a job in the city like you've always wanted.
Yes, but I can't go to the city empty-handed.
No. Good.
My plans is just for me to run around and gather money. Once I have enough money in my hands, I will go to the city and pay for a house and put a stop to all this.
Okay, I've heard you. Anyways, I'll continue praying for the forgiveness of your sins.
Have you won the rice?
Papa locked up the kitchen, saying if I don't do what you and Cindy are doing, there will be no food for me in the house. Even though I thought of doing it, but my faith won't let me.
Please don't, okay? Don't worry. I'll get the kids from him so that you eat. Okay? Is that right?
Good morning, my love. This one, your face is like this. How was your night?
It wasn't fine at all.
What happened?
That idiot refused to pay me, saying he thought it was a girlfriend-boyfriend thing.
What? Then why did you start coming back? Why didn't you call me?
I've been calling, but you're not picking.
Oh, my phone is inside the house. You should have called your sister.
I did. Oh, sorry, dear, my phone was on silent.
Do you know their house?
Is that Abakaliki guy that stays at Nwanyima's house?
Let's go there. Isham, no. Go and get me my cutlass. Go down and get my cutlass. Make it fast.
Go, hurry up. I'm coming.
Beware of what comes after you or what.
Yes, the kitchen key.
It's under my pillow. Let's go.
Cindy, baby. Start to get your money. Yes.
We're going to calculate the whole. Yes. Koniman dies, Koniman buries him. Now we have collateral. If you want all these items back, you have to come and pay you. Else, we will sell them and get your money back for you.
Oh, let's sell it. Selling it will be better.
Don't worry. Rubbish boy. Who is he to come and do my daughter show free? And think he will go scot-free? Ha! You never see anything. This is just the beginning. Let's move.
welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, how are your parents?
Very well. So, how are you?
As you can see, I'm fine. So, busy. He just stepped out. But it's good he's not around. Because I want you to go into the kitchen and prepare something delicious that he will eat when he comes back.
I'll do just that.
It's something nice.
Alright.
Call me if you like anything.
Alright.
Okay, take care.
Alright.
Bye, darling.
Mom, what is the matter?
I just needed a private time.
Okay,
How was the food?
wonderful.
That beautiful girl prepared it.
Wow, I'm impressed. Is she a cook?
It's a funny question. She's a girl I brought for you to marry.
Mom, sorry, I don't get it.
I picked that girl for you to marry when you return, so that you can inherit your father's properties. Trust me, that girl is from a very good family, and they are very wealthy. She has a business of her own. Son, she's a good girl.
Mom, this is the 21st century. How could a mother pick a wife for a son to marry?
In this house, it's done.
No, I can't have this discussion with you. Mom, I just can't get it.
Son, you're walking out on me? Son?
Papa, please let me have 300 naira. I want to buy sanitary pad. I am soaked.
I don't have 300 naira.
Okay, Papa. Please make it 70 naira. Let me get tissue paper. That one can help.
You are this girl. Are you insane? You have to take your time. I told you I don't have money. Go and ask your God. Ask him to give you money. You useless girl.
I am soaked. And I have no cash in me. I am soaked. And I have no cash on me. What do I do? Oh God. Ever since Mama died, Papa has been treating me poorly in this house. Oh God. Please help me. I don't want to go into prostitution and serve you at the same time. Please. Please help me to leave this village and hustle in a God-fearing way. Please, Lord.
Sister, please give me some cash. I want to buy pad. I am so.
Pico, please. Don't disturb me. Do I look like our late man? Eh? Is it not your mate down the street? See, I tell you, I can't go road. Don't disturb me.
Messi, what are you doing? I need pad. But Papa and Silo refuse to give me money. It's okay. You can keep this for yourself. Did you hear me? Stop asking me for anything. You know you won't answer you. Since you've refused doing what I and Cindy is doing. Okay? I know, but I can't do it. I want to live my life for God. I want to serve God. Please don't. Keep serving God. All the whole family doesn't need to be bad. And please keep praying for me as well. For forgiveness of my sins. Okay, I'll continue praying for the forgiveness of your sins, my sister.
Good morning.
Good morning, Amma. Where are you coming from this time of the day?
My old friend, Frank, he came back from Jamaica yesterday. So I went to his house this morning to clean everywhere for him.
Sorry, which Frank?
Frank, Wanyima's third son, the last one.
Wanyima? The one that just traveled to America to see her first? That's wonderful. Anyways, I was on my way to a meeting. Do take care of yourself. Man, this weed is awesome. This is what you call Jamaican sensimilla.
Really? Straight from Jamaica. I brought it on my way back.
It was really nice. I was on my way to a meeting when I heard about your return. So I decided to come and see you first, based on my relationship with your dad before his demise.
I know you guys are very close.
You can say that again. Such a good man he was. May his soul rest in peace.
Amen.
So why did you decide to come back to the village?
I returned to the village in search of a wife. I don't want to be like my brother who got married to me. That's not some Cambian woman.
That is very thoughtful of you. Focusing on we have all kinds of young, beautiful, succulent, chocolate, dark, ebony, brown girls in this village. I'll help you find one.
I hope you're enjoying the week.
Enjoyment is an understatement. I'm really having a blast. Goldie. Mercy.
Yes, Papa.
Come here, all of you. Sit down. There's something I want to tell you.
How was the meeting? Did they talk about us again?
I went to the meeting late, so I didn't get the whole agenda.
But you left early.
Yes. That was why I called you from the meeting. To inform you that I saw Amara, your friend, Neka's daughter. She told me that Frank, my son, that stays in Jamaica, came back home. So out of curiosity, I decided to go and confirm for myself. Behold, he was there. He said he came back to find a wife.
Wow, really?
Yes.
So, what has that got to do with us?
What are you doing here? Did I call you?
Yes, Papa.
I'm sorry, it was a mistake. I called A and B, so see yourself out of here.
Go now.
any of you to enter that family, we are sitting on a gold mine.
Yes,
we are talking Egigwe. Foreign money, dollar. Hey, Benjamin. This is the Benjamin.
How do we go about it?
I don't know. But I believe both of you can think of something. What am I even saying? Well, how do you go about it? In Amos Yamo. Go up pass on the street and I just don't care if you see me.
No one comes to you.
Don't worry, we'll handle it.
Don't fall my hand though.
No, for what? That's a small thing. I'll handle it.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
What's your name?
I'm Cindy.
I'm Frank, and that's my friend Ike.
Hi.
I hope you don't mind me asking, are you going to any place of any importance at all?
No,
Oh, really?
not really.
Okay, we're both going to the bar around the corner, so I don't know if you could join us.
Okay.
Wow.
Sure, I am.
I don't think so.
What is it? What do you think you are doing? Hawking pure water? What is the meaning of this? What else do you want me to do? Wait, I understand your feelings. I know you can't do this our job. I know it's stressful, you can't do it. But can't you look for something better to do? Must you hawk pure water? Is it not better for me to be selling pure water? Or what else do you want me to do? Do you want me to join you guys in this position of a thing you call a job? Stop it! Just get something else to do. I will support you financially. Okay? Look, I have an appointment to catch up with a man. I will see you when I get back home. Take care of yourself. Go on.
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Trish.
Okay.
So how was the trip back home?
It was good. What's that your name again?
Trish.
Trish. How on earth, as good looking as you are, accept to marry a guy you barely know?
I don't understand what you're trying to say.
Alright, fine. Let me get straight to the point. What I'm trying to say is that I am not in love with you, and I can't get married to you. So stop forcing yourself, okay? I can't marry you. Moreover, I'm not ready for that now, okay? So stop forcing yourself. What is this? How come mom just gets arrangement to marry for me? A package wedding? How on earth will I get myself into a package wedding?
My father will kill you. Give me my money.
Leave my clothes now.
Which cloth?
Really?
Give me my...
I'm going to for you. Will you give me my money? I don't have money. Let me transfer money for you.
Huh? I don't want transfer.
You don't tell
I will
your
tell my father.
I don't do with cash. I do with transfer.
I don't want transfer. That's why everybody will say transfer. When I get home, I will not get my money.
Leave my clothes.
I will not leave your clothes. You want to hit me? Hit me, touch me, and you see what my father will do.
Leave my clothes.
Give me my money, oh. My money.
You are embarrassing me here. Leave my clothes, oh.
You've not seen anything. I have not started with you. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Okay. Move the here now.
Okay. When you were doing up and down. Give me my money. Yes, I want cash. I'm not leaving you.
Leave me.
Put your hand inside your pocket and give my money. I don't have to leave you. You can put your hand inside your pocket and give my money.
The money is there.
It's not there.
I said the money is
There's
there.
no pocket there. You want to run away. You want to run away.
I can't believe you're telling me, like, stuff like this still happen in this present day and time.
This is what mom has been telling me before. To get married to a girl, I barely know.
Come, let me understand this. Have you seen the girl?
Yes.
And do you like her?
Like her?
Yeah. Like, you like her?
How can I like or be in love with a girl I barely know? She's totally a stranger to me. And honestly, David, I can't get married to her.
You asked me. I understand mom's situation, you know? This thing they say about a rich family getting married to a rich family and trying to secure the family business.
Family business?
So they say.
I'm not ready for that.
Okay.
I just need to get out there and find myself someone I truly love. That's what marriage is. How can I get myself into marry with someone that I don't love? It's a life journey. So I need to show it.
I understand where you're coming from.
Got it.
Mom, well done.
Son, how was your outing?
Oh, good.
Obviously you had fun.
Yes, Mom.
Son, have you thought about what we discussed the other day?
Yes, Mom, I have.
So?
Honestly, Mom, I can't get married to that girl. I can't get married so soon. Besides, Mom, she's not my type. I've heard that all those village girls are after money. They are gold diggers.
Son, what you're saying is that your mother can't make a choice for you. Is that?
Mom, I didn't mean that.
Whatever it is that you meant, if you don't marry that girl, I will never talk to you again, son.
But Mom, Mom, can you at least let me in? Mom! Alright, fine. I'm so sorry, okay? Just call the girl, let's talk to her. Mom! Mom, can you please open this door? Fine, I'm so sorry, okay? Just let me in, please. Mom!
Hello, dear. Yeah, my son wants you to come around. I understand exactly how you feel. Okay? Why not come around? Let's see and hear what he has to say. Please, do this for me. Okay, thank you. I will be waiting. Okay, thanks.
Mom.
Yes, son.
You know I love you so much. And I can do anything for you. Just to make you happy.
I know.
Tish.
Steve.
You're a very pretty girl. And from what my mother has told me, you're a hard-working girl. But Tish, you need a man that will love, cherish, and cares about you. Not someone that will marry you because of pity. I can't be into a relationship that I don't love. I don't even barely know you. Fine. What I'm trying to say is that I don't love you. If you get married to me, you'll suffer for the rest of your life. You'll cry every day. You need a man that will make you happy. And I'm not your happiness. You're not my type.
Please, wait. Don't make me assume you called me out here just to insult my complexion or a kind of person.
No. It's far from that. I just want you guys to understand me. That's why I called you and my mother here today. Like I said, I can't get into a package relationship. I need to find my wife myself.
Madam Florence.
Tish, I think he has a point.
Oh, really? The point where your love had made me feel rejected? But why do you have to make me go through this when you are not sure if it's going to work out? Or do you think money is my problem? Or you think I'm here because of money? Oh gosh. Let me tell you, I'm not here because of money. And I think I'm done here.
Trish, just calm down.
Mom.
Trish!
Mom, leave her. Just leave her. Let her be. I'll get myself a wife. Someone I truly love. Okay?
phone in his pocket. I think that's a good idea.
You think?
Well, but the thing is, you'd have to get to the village.
But I don't know my way to the village. Moreover, I learned there are a lot of mosquitoes there.
Just look at yourself. A grown-up man talking about mosquitoes. Oh well, since you know that there are a lot of mosquitoes there, why do you want a native girl? Take the city girl that they bought for you now.
Ha! David. Sorry. Can you go along with me since it's your father's land?
Well, that won't be a problem, but there's a condition. I'll have to do the driving myself. The last time your driving was really horrible. I'm not cut out for that shit.
That's how the driving is taken, bro.
Welcome to Nigeria, bro.
It's fine. You will do the driving.
So when do we go?
Well, I get to speak to Mom this night and get back to you through the phone.
Are you sure she would like the idea?
Definitely she will. She was the one that said I should get married. So, she has no choice.
Yeah, your mom keeps cracking me up. Who picks a wife for a son in this 21st century, though?
I'm just pissed off, you know.
Please. I need your help. I want to talk to something. I want to marry me. I will do anything you want me to do.
Bro, you say anything.
Yes.
You know what? I would like make we go my house, more run that thing, and I dey assure you say on how we do and finish. Frank with your own.
But I've not even done it with him.
Well, you dey tell me say you be virgin.
I'm not saying I'm a virgin. I'm not. I can't sleep with you now.
Okay, now I go help you, Sha. See, after we do this thing finish and everything legit, make I no lie you. I go tell Frank say you be the hottest and the sweetest babe for this community.
You sure?
I go be a right hand man when he go come for you. Now what for you? You don't believe me? I don't go disappoint you.
I've been calling you. You didn't hear your name.
Sorry, I was lost in thought.
Wait, I say, let me ask. Between you and your sister, who exactly is with that Jamaica guy?
Me? Why are you asking?
You? I'm asking because I'm confused though. Some hours ago, I saw Good and the Jamaica guy kissing and smooshing each other.
What? Like, for real? What I haven't done with him?
You have not done anything?
No, I haven't.
I know what I saw. I saw both of them kissing and smooshing each other.
Thank you for this information. How would you do that?
I still let me tell you because I know you saw it first.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
God! God!
Yes?
Come out here.
Yeah.
Good. Good. Stay away from Frank. Stay away from Frank. I won't warn you again. He is mine. Stay away from him. Sezu, you just heard me. I said he is mine. Stay away from him.
Well, point of correction. Frank is not yours and will never be yours. You know why? Frank loves me and I love him too.
Wow.
He loves him so much. So do I love him.
See, Mom, I won't warn you again. Stay away. Stay away.
Amara, I want to say a big thank you to you for coming around and help arrange some stuff all this while anyway.
You're welcome, no problem.
I like your coffee.
Thank
you. You're fine girl. And hope you taste as sweet as you look.
I'm very sweet. You can go and taste it. Oh, sweet taste.
Now you know I wasn't lying.
And she said she's not going to back out.
Hey!
Really?
Yes. See, there's something I will give to you. Once you put it in her food, she will forget that Jamaican.
Just like that?
Just like that, but it has to be on her for market day. That's 3 days from now. You put it in her food. Once she eats that food, everything about that Jamaican guy will erase from her memory. She will not even think about it. The Jamaican guy will be for you. Are you sure? I should be thought I was lying to you the other way. Yeah, let's go, Mama. You're sure?
Which of you called for this meeting?
Hi, Papa.
Why? What is it?
Papa, I saw us in tears, crying and wailing. I think something bad is about to happen. So, I decided we should all go into prayers.
Don't you ever call me for this kind of meeting again. Did I make myself clear?
Papa. I saw blood flowing. Gold. We need prayers. Gold. guys are new here?
Oh yeah, we just got in yesterday night. My friend Steve wants a village wife, so who knows?
Really?
Come on. Let's just go along. We'll see later, okay?
Okay, my house is just here. If you guys don't mind, you can just... Don't mind.
Man.
That's all. Look at these trees.
Man, I think I like this one. This one, stop the car, stop the car.
This one?
This one.
Good morning.
Good morning there. What is your name?
My name is Mercy.
Messi. Wow, what a nice name. Anyways, I'm Steve, and this is my friend Dave. Messi, honestly, I do like you. Can we at least see later, or maybe we hang out?
Please, if you're looking for a hot to hang out with, I'm not the type. Excuse me. Today is the day I'm supposed to put this substance into my sister's food, so that she can have a change of heart. But I don't think there's need for that anymore, since there's another new guy in town. This one is taller and more handsome, and he looks richer too. Well, she can have Frank for all I care. Why I have I didn't even ask of his name. Oh God, I just pray we won't see again, as he said earlier. I can't wait to see him.
Love you, forgive me. Cindy, don't tell me you're pregnant.
Sorry, boss, I am.
But I told you not to do without.
Jude said if I want to marry Frank, I have to do it with him. I didn't have any choice.
What do you do now? Huh? Have you done it with Frank?
No.
I'm lost. If you go to how do I go? I have lost all. Hey!
Good. With Frank, my guy. So, you mean say, since you returned from Jamaica, this same Jamaica will be here, and all these girls, they follow you bomber to bomber. I wonder, why you no one nyash any of them?
Dude, you don't understand.
But talk now, make I understand as your guy. Talk, make I understand.
I was tested HIV positive.
Good. You mean HIV positive?
Bring your voice
I
down.
don't bring that.
See, in Jamaica, all these things, they are not as serious as you. They'll be like handshake. Hey, Amara! Jesus Christ. Let's help out. You, what
Let's
that
help
chicken?
out. Let's help out.
Mercy, why are you always like this? I really do love you. In fact, I'm looking for a bride so I can get married. Why don't you at least just hear me for once?
Is this how you just see someone in the road and propose marriage?
Must it take a whole year to know somebody? My spirit accepts you. And I love you. Since the first day I set my eyes on you recently. Just show me the way to your house. So at least I can meet your father.
Ask for who can this house. They'll direct you.
Thank you so much. I'll be there tomorrow.
Which of my daughters are you looking for, young man?
Mercy, sir.
I hope there's no problem.
No, everything is fine, sir. It's just that since I came back, I'm falling in love with your daughter, so I'd like to marry her.
Who are you?
My name is Steve. I'm the son of late Chief Okoli.
Okoli. The one that built the only upstairs in this village. You're welcome. You're most welcome, my son. Mercy is not now, but I will inform her that you came. But I advise you come tomorrow with your people. You have family, right? Yes. Come on, you will meet upstairs in this village. Walk out of here. There's no one to Mercy. Mercy, idiot. I can't get about even a banana, but
hey, Cindy, I'm warning you, leave me, oh. I'm warning you. Allow me now, let me go and hustle like others now. See.
Look at who's talking. You, hustle. See, if you don't give me money, you're not going anywhere. If you don't give me money, do you want to kill me? Did you bring me to your house to come and kill me?
Wait, no, nah, there's no, wait, now. Just allow me. See, Mama Nkechi promised me that I should come and work in her farm. And she promised to settle me the moment I finish. So allow me, let me just go and get the money now.
Do you know how long I've been hearing this one promised me? This one promised. Do you know how long I've been hearing that? Your mates are there making money. Hey! What did I do to myself? I told you I wanted Frank. Frank is who I wanted.
It's a mistake.
You deceived me.
It's a mistake. Allow me to.
You're not going anywhere. You will kill me.
You will kill me. You will kill me.
I want food.
Okay, wait. Just allow me, let me go there. Mama.
Life can be very strange. Sometimes we are the architect of our own destruction. As a father, I have never conducted myself well when it comes to the affairs of my daughters. I've always seen them as an instrument of making money due to my greed and selfish aggrandizement. I employ my daughters into things that are uncivilized. Mercy has shown that she is a civilized and decent girl. I've always gone against her. I thank God she stayed to her resolve and held on to her fate. But look at what I did to my other two daughters, Cindy and Goldie. Today, One is down with HIV. And the other one, pregnant by a stranger. Thanks to my daughter Mercy. Despite all my ways to convince her to join in my iniquities, she held on to her resolve and showed strong faith to her belief. First of all, I want God to forgive me for all my iniquities. I know it will be difficult for my daughters to forgive me, but I just hope they will find it in their heart to do.
Stop. I said stop.
So Daddy, leave me alone.
Just stop. You need to stop. Come.
Go to Daddy.
See. Don't cry. Stop. Why? Yes, start.